the very pointed question that we need to look at here is why can they not announce a convener but float around a PM name? And when they float around this PM name, people are getting very naraz and very
It's a game.
and very angry and walking out. So one, they're exposing themselves. Two, they're showing us the cracks in their so-called alliance. And three, and most importantly, they are doing away
our
with
strategy.
those
Who are you to tell us what our strategy should be?
Reena ji, please. Reena ji, please.
Announce the name of
Ajay, Reena wants to talk about
Reena Gupta, not on top of everyone, please.
Chhattisgarh or in Rajasthan. You didn't announce the name of the chief minister
Okay.
any of those places. You floated around everybody.
Okay, thank you, Ratnakar Tripathi.
was your-
Only Ratnakar and Vineet Goenka on air, please. Thank you very much. Ratnakar Tripathi, Reena Gupta, you can't do this.
But tell me,
Ma'am, I don't reduce anyone's fader. Please don't do this. Please don't do this. Charu, I know there was some technical error. You came in later. Don't do this.
The serious
Charu, please,
concern
thank you.
of the
Tripathi ji.
about the
not
alliance
serious to
is
come
reflected
together.
by the
They do not
statement.
have neta. They
So
do not have any
keenly
niti.
they are
They do not
watching
have
us.
any
What
niti.
we
hold
are
on.
doing 1, 2, 3, 4. We are not announcing the convener's name. We are playing on the PM's name. So if we are not that valuable or a threat, why are you so concerned about it? I'm asking the BJP spokesperson, the BJP people. 20% of the parliamentarians and 50% of the opposition has been thrown out of the parliament.
Okay, quick response, Vineet Goenka.
50% of-
Quick response, Vineet Goenka.
And you say-
Quick response, Vineet Goenka.
You are scared to.
Aishwarya ji,
You-
Quick
today
response,
the
Vineet
people
Goenka.
of the country has spoken 3 words about India alliances and it is very simple 3 words. ना नीति है इनकी, ना इनका कोई नियत है, ना कोई इनका नेता है. They have not come together to serve the country, but they have
I
come
don't think
together to
Goenka
serve
ji,
their
you
own
represent
purpose.
the people of the
They have a
country.
lot of differences. The house has not been
Don't
built.
take their name.
Now, of course, I'm a citizen of this country, impacted by the deputy chief minister who is inside the jail. I'm also impacted by the health minister who went inside for the hawala.
Yeah,
I was
but
also
you are not
impacted
the
by the
people.
member of parliament.
Reena Gupta on the other side. Reena Gupta on the other side.
This
I'm
is
also
your opinion.
impacted by
We accept-
Satyendra Jo, who's been getting
This is
massaged
your
by
opinion.
POSCO
Don't
rapists.
tell
I'm
What
also
people
impacted
is
by.
he talking about? The only person you have served till now is Adani.
Being assaulting people.
Adani को
I'm
बेच
also
दिया सारा
impacted by
देश, seaport
Inatullah
बेच
Khan, who is
दिया,
a writer. I'm also
airport बेच
impacted
दिया.
by a person
Adani
who has
बेच
killed the
दिया.
IB
Don't
officer.
talk on
I'm also
Ambani,
impacted
Adani
by
will
Arvind
talk.
Kejriwal, who tells
देश के
lies.
लोगों को
Adani
आपने
together.
राशन की लाइन में खड़ा कर दिया.
प्रशांत भूषण
तो 80 करोड़
over
लोग
each other
राशन की
doesn't
लाइन
help
में
either of
खड़े
you.
हैं.
The Congress-
Okay, Vineet, hold on. Vineet, hold on. Ratnakar ji, hold on.
Now
कोई
they are
हालत
people,
करी हुई
they are-
है.
Reena, please, Reena ji. Charu. By speaking continuously, it doesn't help either of you.
You know,
Please
I'm listening.
understand. Thank you. Please, yeah. Charu, ending comments.
So, Reena ji, first of all, you don't have to be this raita which is going all over, right? Stick to the topic of the debate. The most important thing I want to say here is we didn't ask for a convener. You announce during every meeting that you will come up with the name of a convener. And then at the end of the meeting, you say, we'll do this, but ugly meeting ke baad. Chalo, kam se kam ek photo आप लोग को मिलता है. But that's what it is. So, why are you trying to say that you have an alliance? And Reena ji, I asked you a very direct question. If you are such best friends with all these other political parties, why did you not contest Punjab together? Why did you not contest Gujarat together? Why did you not contest Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh together?
Okay.
Because you are acting
30 second reply, Reena Gupta. Reena Gupta, 30 second reply and then I wrap it up.
By Congress
30 second. Okay,
Party.
Charu, very good point. Reena Gupta, 30 second reply.
Give me my time,
Reena Gupta.
please. Charu ji, you were the ones, actually Prime Minister was the one who said Ajit Pawar is the most corrupt person. The next day Ajit Pawar becomes the Deputy Chief Minister. You said Hemanta Biswa Sarma is the most corrupt person. Then he joins your party, becomes the Chief Minister. So Charu ji, who was lying when? Were you lying before when you called Hemanta Biswa Sarma the most corrupt person? Or are you lying now when you have made him the Chief Minister?
about all the money
So
that was siphoned
the
off
questions
Indian
can be
economy.
asked of you that you can change your stand like this. Ping pong. One day one person becomes the most corrupt person. The next day he becomes the best person in the party and becomes the deputy chief minister. So आप अपना stand बदल लेंगे.
I'll just say the BJP AAP tussle will continue, viewers. Charu, Reena ji, Vineet, Ratnakar. The AAP BJP tussle will continue, Vineet. You know that. But I'll just say one thing, Ratnakar ji. Mamata Banerjee is way ahead as far as the political game is concerned in this India alliance. You need to understand, and you understand very well, sir. आप बनारसी हैं, मैं आपको राजनीति नहीं सिखा सकता हूं. You understand that very well. What does she mean when she says, Charu, that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra should contest against Narendra Modi from Banaras, and Mallikarjun Kharge should be the prime ministerial candidate. And on that smile of Ratnakar Tripathi, that's the time I have on this short format. Thank you very much.